Scikit-learn OpenMP. I am using scikit-learn SVC to classify some data. I would like to increase the training performance. CLF equals svm.svc cache underscore size equals 4000, probability equals true, verbose equals true. Since scikit-learn interfaces with libsvm and libsvm users OpenMP, I was hoping that export omp underscore num underscore threads equals 16 would run on multiple cores. Unfortunately, this did not help. Any ideas? Thanks.
There is no open support in the current binding for libsvm in scikit-learn. However, it is very likely that if you have performance issues with scikit-learn.svm.svc, should you use a more scalable model instead. If your data is high-dimensional, it might be linearly separable. In that case, it is advised to first try simpler models such as naive Bayes models or scikit-learn.linear_model.perceptron that are known to be very speedy to train. You can also try scikit-learn.linear_model.logistic regression and scikit-learn.svm.linear, both implemented using liblinear, that is more scalable than libsvm, albeit less memory efficient than other linear models in scikit-learn. If your data is not linearly separable, you can try scikit-learn.ensemble.extratrees classifier, adjust the n_estimators parameter to trade off training speed versus predictive accuracy. Alternatively, you can try to approximate a RBF kernel using the RUP sampler transformer of scikit-learn plus fitting a linear model on the output. This URL.
Although this thread is a year plus old, I thought it is worth answering. I wrote a patch for OpenMP support on scikit-learn for both libsvm and liblinear, linear_sc, that's available here. This URL. It is based on libsvm's FAQ on how to add OpenMP support, and the multi-core implementation of liblinear. Just clone the repo and run scikit-learn build openmp.sh to apply the patch and build it. Timing omp_num_threads equals 4 python plot_permutation_test_for_classification.py. Smlib with linear kernel Timonig dropped by a factor of 2.3, RBF kernel, same, liblinear with 4 thread dropped by x1.6. Details about and usage information can be found here, this URL.
If you are using cross-validation or grid search in scikit-learn, then you can use multiple CPUs with the n_jobs parameter. Note that cross_val_score only needs a job per fold, so if your number of folds is less than your CPUs, you still won't be using all of your processing power. Libsvm can use OpenMP if you can compile it and use it directly as per these instructions in the libsvm FAQ. So you could export your scaled data in libsvm format. Here's a Stack Overflow question on how to do that, and use libsvm directly to train your data. But that will only be of benefit if you're grid searching or wanting to know accuracy scores. As far as I know, the model libsvm creates cannot be used in scikit-learn. There is also a poo-accelerated version of libsvm which I have tried and is extremely fast, but is not based on the current libsvm version. I have talked to the developers and they say they hope to release a new version soon.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.